Capturing time-lapse footage isn't just about condensing hours into seconds. It's about crafting visually stunning narratives that highlight progress, transformation, and movement. In this video, we're diving into the best time-lapse cameras of 2025, each designed to cater to different needs, from professional construction monitoring to high-speed adventure filmmaking. Stick around and don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab your favorite. Brinno TLC 2020 Housing Bundle for outdoor projects and construction. If you need a rugged and reliable time-lapse setup, look no further than the Brinno TLC 2020 Housing Bundle. With HDR and Full HD recording, this camera produces stunning footage with enhanced clarity and contrast. Perfect for documenting construction sites, renovation progress, or natural landscapes. Its weatherproof housing ensures that rain, dust, or extreme temperatures won't interfere with your recordings, making it a must-have for long-term outdoor projects. Plus, its flexible scheduling options and long battery life mean you can set it and forget it, allowing for uninterrupted footage capture without frequent maintenance. Want a hassle-free solution to document your project with professional-grade time-lapse? Check the description below for the link. Enlaps Pack Tikee 4 for high-resolution, panoramic time-lapse and remote monitoring. For those who demand cutting-edge resolution and remote accessibility, the Enlaps Pack Tikee 4 is a game-changer. With a 12-megapixel sensor and 6K image quality, it delivers breathtaking, ultra-sharp footage, making it ideal for large-scale professional projects like construction monitoring, scientific observations, or environmental studies. Its 220-degree panoramic angle captures expansive views with an immersive field of vision, while its solar-powered operation and 4G LTE connectivity ensure continuous recording without needing to be manually operated. You can monitor your footage remotely from anywhere in the world, an absolute lifesaver for project managers and professionals needing seamless surveillance. And with its IP66 rated weatherproofing, the Tikee 4 handles harsh conditions effortlessly, standing strong against dust, wind, and rain. Need a top-tier autonomous time-lapse camera? Click the link in the description. Brinno TLC 300 for versatile, long-lasting time-lapse recordings. If you're looking for a powerful yet user-friendly time-lapse camera, the Brinno TLC 300 offers HDR FHD 1080p video quality with crystal clear detail in both bright and low light settings. Its extended battery life means it can capture time-lapse sequences over days or weeks without constant battery swaps. A game changer for construction work, research, or creative filmmaking where long-term recordings matter. The built-in LCD screen makes framing shots and adjusting settings super intuitive, whether you're filming indoor creative projects or tracking outdoor construction progress. Looking for a reliable workhorse to document your time-lapse effortlessly? Check out the description below. GoPro Hero 13 Black for action-packed time-lapse in extreme sports. When it comes to fast-paced adrenaline-fueled action, nothing beats the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This waterproof, ultra-durable action camera records stunning 5.3K 60 video and 27-megapixel photos, delivering next-level sharpness for dynamic time-lapse footage. Its compatibility with HB series lenses lets you customize your shots for wider angles and cinematic compositions, while hyper-smooth stabilization ensures buttery smooth motion, even in extreme environments. Whether you're filming epic mountain bike rides, surfing adventures, or high-energy cityscapes, this camera keeps up with your every move. Want to add professional action and cinematography to your time-lapse projects? Grab the Hero 13 Black using the link in the description. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro for ultra-stable, high-quality filmmaking and vlogging. For filmmakers, vloggers, and action lovers, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo is a powerhouse built for creativity. Equipped with a large 1 to 1.3-inch sensor, this camera excels in low-light conditions, delivering sharp and vibrant colors even in challenging lighting environments. Its 4K/120 frames per second video capability ensures silky smooth slow motion and time-lapse sequences, while subject tracking and dual OLED touchscreens make framing and adjusting settings effortless. With next-level stabilization, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is perfect for high-energy sports, vlogging, and adventure filming, keeping shots stable and immersive, no matter how intense the action gets. Think this might be your next favorite gadget? Hit the description for the link. And that wraps up our list of the best time-lapse cameras of 2025. Whether you need long-term project documentation, stunning panoramic sequences, or high-speed action cinematography, there's a perfect camera for every need. Which one would you love to get your hands on? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check the description below to grab the best gear for your next time-lapse masterpiece. Happy filming, and see you in the next one.